What exactly is the revenue cycle? The revenue cycle is the way that money moves through a healthcare organization, starting when the patient is referred to the practice, all the way through to when that claim is resolved, paid, or reconciled in some other way. We're going to walk through the revenue cycle within a software because I know that it can really help you understand things more deeply when you can see them and also hear them explained. This way you can make sure you understand and see how the money moves through this healthcare organization from when the patient comes to the practice all the way through to hopefully getting paid. Before we dive into the series, let's first talk about the differences between the revenue cycle and the medical billing. Now, typically, we hear people use these terms interchangeably, but they are not the same thing. As a matter of fact, the revenue cycle is the full process from when that patient starts at a practice, meaning they either are referred and registered at that practice, seen by those providers, claims are processed, and then hopefully claims are being paid and resolved. That's the full process of the revenue cycle. Medical billing is only the portion by which the claim is being prepared, sent to the insurance company, and payment being posted. There are a number of other steps that are not specifically medical billing, but are vital to the revenue cycle in that healthcare organization, which means making sure that money still moves through that healthcare organization. So we're talking about going beyond only medical billing and understanding the full cycle. We've already talked in detail in other videos here on our channel about the revenue cycle, so I'll link that video below. But in this series, we're going to use a software to walk you through the revenue cycle and help you understand. The software we're using today is a practice management software called Open Practice. And Open Practice really covers all that we need, from making sure that our patient visits are documented, payments are being made by patients, and all the way through claim submission and claim resolution. So it is a full comprehensive solution. Each video, we're going to focus on one step in the revenue cycle and how that step shows up in our practice management or billing software. Now, each software is slightly different. However, you're going to be looking within your software for the steps defined the way that I will break them down in each individual video. If you have questions, I would love to answer them for you. So let me know in the comments below what questions you have about the revenue cycle, and let me know what gaps you have right now in your learning that you want me to support you through. I believe that anybody involved in the revenue cycle, whether on the clinical side, the billing side, or management side, all need to understand the revenue cycle because it is the heartbeat of our practice and the way that money keeps flowing through our practice so that we can remain open and operating. If you are a medical biller, your efforts can only be as good as your understanding of the entire revenue cycle. I believe that everybody, especially our medical billers, need to understand both the front and the back end possible errors that can take place and where these things take place within our software and, of course, within our medical practice. Truly understanding this entire workflow, the entire revenue cycle, is going to help reduce revenue loss. And I believe understanding this full process can also help you prevent working yourself to the bone on unnecessary efforts. Now that you know where we're headed with this series and why exactly you understanding the revenue cycle is important, let's go ahead and dive in. We're going to start in our next series with patient scheduling and eligibility. If you already know that you need support understanding the business of healthcare, whether medical billing, practice administration, then go ahead and check the links in the description box below so you can find out important resources and links to our communities. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.